Most people are taught to work hard, get a good job, and rely on a steady paycheck. They spend their best years trading time for money, believing a higher salary is the answer. But this is a financial rat race, running faster, never getting ahead. The rich know a secret: working for money is the slowest way to build wealth. Instead, they focus on making money work for them by acquiring assets that generate income, even while they sleep. Schools teach us to be employees, not owners or investors. The rich teach their kids about assets, liabilities, and financial intelligence, knowledge more valuable than any inheritance. The key is to stop thinking about earning more and start thinking about acquiring assets, things that put money in your pocket. This shift is the first step to financial freedom, becoming the master of money, not its servant. That's the real path to prosperity in America. In America, people fall into three money categories: earners, investors, and owners. Earners trade time for a paycheck, pay the highest taxes, and are most vulnerable to economic shifts. Investors take a step further, putting money into stocks, bonds, or retirement accounts, hoping for growth. But many investors still lack control, often relying on advisors without understanding their own money. Owners are the smallest group. They create or own businesses, leveraging other people's time and money. Owners build systems that generate cash flow and write the rules of the economy. The journey to wealth is moving from earner to investor to owner. Start as an earner, but don't stay there. Use your income to invest, then think like an owner. Can you start a business, buy income property, or create a system? It's not about your job title. It's about your financial mindset and daily actions. The more you move toward ownership, the more control and wealth you build. That's the real progression to financial independence. Where are you on this path? The rich understand one core principle: assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. Most people buy liabilities, big houses, cars, gadgets, thinking they're assets, but these drain their finances. The rich focus on acquiring real assets, rental properties, dividend stocks, businesses, and intellectual property. Every asset is like planting a money tree that grows and funds more assets. Over time, their asset income surpasses their expenses, granting true financial freedom. The typical person's money flows in from a job and right out to expenses. The rich build an asset column that grows and pays for their lifestyle. The secret: use earned income to buy assets, not liabilities. Ask yourself before every purchase: will this put money in my pocket or take it out? The rich don't break tax laws, they use them as written. The tax code rewards those who create jobs, provide housing, and invest. Employees pay taxes first, then spend what's left. Owners, through corporations, earn, spend on business expenses, then pay taxes on what remains. Real estate investors benefit from phantom deductions like depreciation, reducing taxable income while earning cash flow. The more you understand the tax system, the more you keep. Financial education is the real advantage. Learn the rules and you can play the game too. To build wealth, you need a money engine, not just a job. 4 proven engines in America: real estate, stocks, business, and online income. Real estate offers cash flow, appreciation, leverage, and tax benefits. Stocks let you own pieces of great companies and earn through growth and dividends. Businesses, especially side hustles, offer unlimited income potential and freedom. Online income scales globally with low overhead, from e-commerce to digital products. These engines are accessible to anyone willing to learn and take action. Choose your engine and start building your path to independence. Building wealth isn't magic, it's a snowball effect. Start with what you have. Earn, save, invest, and reinvest. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of every paycheck for investing. Use those savings to buy assets, not just let money sit idle. Even small investments grow through appreciation, dividends, or cash flow. The real power comes from reinvesting your returns. Let your money make more money. Over time, this compounding turns small actions into massive wealth. Don't wait for a windfall. Start rolling your snowball today. Consistency beats luck every time. That's how fortunes are built, one smart step at a time. The real difference between rich and poor is mindset, not money. The poor think in terms of scarcity and fear, clinging to security and avoiding risk. The rich see abundance and opportunity, asking, "How can I afford it?" instead of "I can't." The poor stop learning after school. The rich are lifelong students of money and opportunity. The rich invest in their minds, read, network, and seek out mentors. They surround themselves with positive, ambitious people who challenge and inspire them. Your circle and your mindset shape your financial destiny. Change your thinking, and you change your results. The American dream is real for those who learn the rules of money. Take Sarah, a teacher who saved, learned real estate, and bought a duplex. Living in one unit and renting the other, she built a portfolio of 15 rentals and achieved financial freedom. David, a software developer, started a side hustle, building a project management tool. After 3 years, his online business out-earned his tech job. Maria, a waitress, saw a need for healthy lunches. She saved $2,000, bought a food cart, and grew it into a fleet of trucks and cafes. Each started small, learned, and took action. They moved from earner to investor to owner. They didn't wait for luck, they created opportunity. Their stories prove anyone can change their financial future. The formula is simple: learn, save, invest, and act. Start with what you have, where you are. The path is open to everyone. What's your story going to be? The next example could be you. Wealth in America doesn't require a fancy degree or a rich family. The formula is simple: earn, spend, plus assets x ROI. Financial freedom. Maximize your savings by widening the gap between earning and spending. Use those savings to buy assets, real estate, stocks, businesses, or online ventures. Focus on assets with strong returns. The goal: when your asset income covers your living expenses, you're free. You're no longer trading time for money. The journey starts with a decision. Use your next dollar to buy an asset, not a liability. Education, discipline, and action, not luck, build wealth. You have the formula and the knowledge. Start building your empire, one asset at a time. Your freedom is waiting.